Good morning everybody and welcome to part, I'm not sure, I think it might be 9. I don't know what part we're on now, do you? 9, 10? Not very sure.
Friday.
So we're at Disney Springs this morning, mostly for Gideons and just whatever else catches our eye. So let's just cross our fingers that Gideons doesn't have a long line this morning. What do you think, Darcy? Is it good? Yeah? What do you think, Manny? Any good? Yeah? Dan? Dan got the peanut butter crunch. Let's have a look at it. Wow. You guys got the cookies and cream, yeah? And I got the cookie of the month, which is like a coffee, chocolate and coffee situation. Can't even get it done wrong. That one. Yum yum. And I got the salted caramel cold brew and Dan got the peanut butter cold brew. So we're going to have a little bit of lunch now. So I guess it's too windy for the balloon thing to go up today, but there's a man walking up the outside of it, so that's something to see, I suppose. I couldn't do that job. I'd have cried and fell off by now. Is it still there?
Yeah.
And the girls just spotted a turtle in the water, but oh, it's all over there somewhere. Yeah. That's a bit of wildlife to see. Where did you see? What did you see? You see another one? 2 turtles, it sounds like. Cookies were delicious as they always were. Always are, sorry.
Always were.
Did you enjoy yours?
Yeah, very nice.
Are you there? Yeah, we're just continuing having a look around Disney Springs. It's quite busy, so I haven't really got the camera out much, but we had a look in the Lego store, and I think we'll have a look in the World of Disney store just to see what they've got, if they've got anything good that we need to buy. Thank you. Sorry?
So we have the, what else do you want? Mickey? You want a Mickey? So we have the Chip and Dale.
Yeah, that's it.
Is that it?
That's it, yeah.
Okay. Let's try this one.
That's lovely, thank you.
You still
Darcy, yes.
Don't show my mum, she wanna go in there.
Sephora! Good girl. You sit outside Sephora, darling. We're still at Disney Springs. We've not filmed for a while, but it's been really busy, like in all the shops, so I haven't really been able to film and like watch the girls as well. So Darcy's going to the jewellers. Purchases we've made. We've got Marnie press penny holder, which we looked for when we were here last year, but they didn't have any. But they had them on top of the press penny machines in the World of Disney shop, so I just got one because they were $14.99, I think.
And we've got a few.
And we've got loads of press pennies. Like, I think she'll fill that book, to be honest. We went to Ambience. They had a special
Chip and Dale
macaron that we got to try. And Dan got himself a super dry t-shirt. Right, hear this. So the t-shirts were what, $25?
$25, yeah.
$25, which is what you would pay for a super dry t-shirt in pounds back home. And plus they had another 25% off.
Yeah.
Another 25% off that, so it ended up being $20.
$20, that was including the bag, that was 10 cents.
Including the bag and including tax.
Perfect, flat $20.
So that seems a bargain. You wouldn't even get a super dry t-shirt for that back home. So he treated himself to a t-shirt. And we also had lunch at Earl of Sandwich, which was really good. Really good. Lovely, fresh, freshly made sandwich. The girls had a grilled cheese, and even they ate most of it, so that'll do me.
I had what was called the original 1762 or something like that.
Yeah.
Cheese and roast beef.
Yeah.
Should have had horseradish, but no one needs that.
It was good because you could just say to them, like, can we have that without this or with that or whatever, so it was quite good.
Wasn't as good as our beef, but it was good. It's on a level.
Yeah.
Not quite.
It was almost as good as Arby's, but yeah, so I think we're just like slowly making our way out now back towards the car, and then Dan needs to go and get himself another pair of trainers because his got rained on last night and have not. He was walking through a river, and they're totally soaked. So he's going to need to get some more trainers. So we're going to head and do that at the outlets probably. Yeah, and that's about it today. I don't know if we'll go to a park or not. We're kind of undecided. We'll see how it goes. It's pretty hot right now, the sun's come out.
And well, as I say, like when you get to this time of day, there's only one option for a park to go to, and it's really Magic Kingdom because it's open so late.
Yeah. I don't know. Well, either that or we just pop into Hollywood Studios just to see Fantasmic.
Yeah, well,
I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what happens.
Plus, we need to figure out what this weather's going to do.
The weather, yeah. Dan's keeping half an eye on the weather, aren't you? To see if it's going to rain or whatever, because thunderstorms are due. At the moment the sky's blue, but it seems to change quite quickly, so we'll find out.
Cloudy like 90% of the morning, and all of a sudden it's just gone.
It's been cloudy all day, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Then it's just kind of, it's just partied, and now it's red hot. Coaster, what do you want to go on? What did you say you wanted to go on? A roller coaster. Okay, we'll see what we can do. What do you do? So you're now joining us from EPCOT.
Yeah.
We did a couple of the like photo pass things at the front, at the words.
Ball.
At the ball and the pylons, I think they call them. So yeah, just trying to get our money's worth out of the old photo pass that you get with your tickets. So we're going to head round the world tonight. We don't have any.
We drink O2 on the way around, no doubt.
I've been wanting a margarita here since I came last year, and I've not had one yet. So there might be a margarita on the horizon for me. And then just have a wander around really, and don't really have many expectations of getting on rides and stuff, but we'll see what happens. It is Friday night, so I sometimes feel like Epcot's like a nighttime park. People who are like pass holders will just pop in. Yeah, big queues. And we're parked really far away, aren't we? Just about as far as you can get.
Yeah.
So we'll see what we can get done, but just going to take it easy, have a wander around because it's cooler tonight, so I feel like you can kind of enjoy the different countries without feeling like you're melting with the heat like we were the other day we were here. So yeah, and we've still got some money on our gift card as well, so to get that spent, don't we? Can't be taking any Disney money home with us. So join us.
Woman goes, don't walk in front of him. I said, no, a bike.
You want to know this kid's lunch, right? A pineapple cup, 2 donuts, French fries, and like a rice crispy. He's like, Joe,
I've got the map. Feels like you couldn't see off.
Oh, that one's good, that one's good. Oh, there it is!
Oh, yeah, I know that one. I like that one.
December 17th, and then we got married June 1.
Oh, okay.
Italian red and sweet, like a tiny little car.
What we're doing right now?
Well, we're just sending over the fireworks. There's fire! There's fire up there.
We're just sitting on the ground.
Yeah. still noisy.
I know, but not as bad. Yeah?
I feel like it's something else. I like, and I know red's really good.
Darcy, are you excited for fireworks? Yeah?
She likes
Do you like fireworks? Yeah.
They're not noisy.
What did you like?
Oh, it was excellent. Really good.
So last time we were here it was Harmonious, wasn't it?
Yeah.
But that's gone now, although the badges are still there.
I know, horrible.
Why did they take them away? Just drag all of them off now.
Who even signed up on that? I thought that was a good idea.
I know.
But they were horrible.
But that was EPCOT Forever. Was that Forever?
Yes, I think so.
EPCOT Forever, and it was really good. I was just saying to Dan, I liked that it didn't have all the characters in it, because like EPCOT was never really about that. Although I know like Moana stuff's opening, Guardians and that, but more so than any other park, it was just about like being EPCOT, not really being Disney. So it was nice that it didn't seem to have a lot of that in it.
Yeah.
I liked that. I was sat on the floor for all of it and I could not get up at the end.
Oh, it must have been a great view down there. I was cut off by the tree slightly.
I know, she was in the way, but it was fine. You could still make it out, so it was fine. Yeah, that's it now. Park's closed. We're just probably going to head round. I want to try, and I don't know if the show's on after on the ball. There's like a show on the ball, I think, but I don't know if it's on after the park closes. Or,
probably, yeah. No, because we've come out of Magic Kingdom and that ball's still lit up.
But I don't know if if there's like a show, music and stuff.
Yeah, well, I might.
We'll have a look when we go round anyway, see if we can see what's happening. But no, that was really good. I enjoyed it.
It was indeed.
I got to finish that vlog again last night, so this is me the following morning just finishing it off. Really enjoyed the fireworks last night. I thought they were excellent, and then we just headed out of Epcot and went home via McDonald's because I needed a Sprite. The American Sprite just hits different. And that was it. So we'll catch you in tomorrow/today's video. Thanks again for watching. Thank you. Love you. Bye.